Welcome to Art Makers Makery, where we have tools and supplies and kits to help you with your crafting needs. Today I thought I would share with you a few of the kits that we have available. So some of these kits are for needle felting, as you can see, and these kits come with everything that you need to try a small needle felting project to see if it's for you or if you just want to practice and get back in the game. So we have a couple of owl options. We have a sleepy owl, a big-eyed owl, we have a sheep, we have others to choose from on our site. We also have a knitting and felting project where you can make a scarf. So you can combine your knitting and your needle felting skills in one. We have some crochet options as well as some other patterns for plush toys, and we have a wide variety to select from. So to give you an idea, we also have this cute little vintage camper pattern, and it comes with step-by-step on how to make these cute little hanging ornaments. You can use them as kitchen decorations, for a decorative tree idea. Only you know what creative ideas you can come up with. Come visit us at artmakersmakery.com, where we strive to provide the best tools and supplies for artists, hobbyists, and makers at the best prices. Thank you.